Welcome to Scout Automobile. Let's dive straight into the world of precision engineering and commanding presence. The 2026 BMW M8 Sport Coupe, a machine that doesn't just transport, but transforms every journey into an event with its bold design language, exhilarating performance, and next-level technology. The new M8 Coupe continues BMW's legacy of blending grand touring elegance with motorsport roots. The 2026 M8 retains its signature aggressive profile, but BMW designers have elevated the styling for a more sculpted and aerodynamic look. The front grille is slimmer and sharper, now integrating active air flaps for better efficiency. Laser headlights are more compact, tucked into the widened fenders, giving it a predatory stare. Deep character lines sweep along the body, and the rear features a more prominent carbon fiber diffuser, flanked by quad exhaust pipes that hint at the beast within. New color options like frozen deep blue and fire orange metallic make the coupe stand out even further, while a set of lightweight forged 20-inch wheels completes the exterior package with flair. Under the hood lies a heavily revised 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. For 2026, BMW engineers have tuned it to deliver a jaw-dropping 660 horsepower and 620 pounds-ft of torque, making it the most powerful M8 to date. Power is routed through an updated 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with driven logic, capable of executing lightning-fast gear changes. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system returns, but now with quicker responsiveness and a lighter rear bias. Configuration. For purists, the rear-wheel drive mode remains a selectable option, allowing complete driver control and thrilling oversteer when desired. The numbers are just as insane as you'd expect. 0 to 60 miles per hour, a blistering 3.0 seconds flat. Top speed, electronically limited to 190 miles per hour with the M driver's package. But what really sets the 2026 M8 Sport Coupe apart is how it manages to feel both brutal and refined. Adaptive M suspension professional with electronically controlled dampers ensures that the M8 hugs the road like a supercar, yet glides over imperfections like a luxury cruiser. The new active roll stabilization system keeps body motion in check during aggressive cornering while improving comfort during long-distance drives. Inside, BMW has stepped up its luxury game. The cabin is a beautiful blend of high-performance intent and executive-level sophistication. You're greeted by M carbon bucket seats wrapped in merino leather and Alcantara, now featuring enhanced lumbar support and heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The driver interface is dominated by a 14.9-inch curved display, paired with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Both are powered by the latest iDrive 9 software, offering faster response, customizable layouts, and deep integration with BMW's digital ecosystem. Voice commands, gesture control, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are all standard. A new addition is the AI-powered M Mode Assistant, which automatically adjusts vehicle settings based on driving behavior, road conditions, and even your heart rate using the new biometric seat sensors. The optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system delivers a concert-like experience with 1,400 watts of immersive audio clarity. Safety and driver assist features haven't been overlooked either. The 2026 M8 includes an expanded suite of features, such as Adaptive Cruise Control Pro with Highway Assistant, Traffic Jam Pilot for semi-autonomous driving in congested conditions, and an improved night vision system with pedestrian and animal detection. A 360-degree camera with 3D view, augmented reality navigation, and automatic parking make daily usability a breeze. One of the standout aspects of this model year is the introduction of the M Performance Hybrid Assist. This isn't a full hybrid system, but rather a 48-volt electric supercharger that provides an extra 40 pounds-ft of torque during acceleration, reducing turbo lag and improving fuel economy. The result is a smoother, more instantaneous throttle response, particularly noticeable in city driving or when overtaking on highways. BMW has also made sustainability strides with the 2026 M8. Eco-conscious materials have been subtly incorporated into the interior. Recycled aluminum for trim pieces, sustainably sourced leather, and the use of plant-based polymers in the dash and door linings reflect a forward-thinking approach without compromising performance or luxury. Even the carbon fiber used in the roof and diffuser comes from recycled composites. In terms of practicality, the M8 Coupe remains surprisingly usable. The rear seats, while best for shorter trips, are more spacious than many two-door rivals. The trunk offers 14.8 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for a couple of weekend bags or even a golf set. And with standard adaptive LED ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and customizable drive profiles, the M8 can easily transition from track weapon to daily driver. Overall, the 2026 BMW M8 Sport Coupe continues to define what a flagship Grand Tourer should be. It's a car that delivers ferocious power with refinement, cutting-edge tech with intuitive controls, and iconic design with futuristic detail. Whether you're carving through alpine passes or cruising through downtown, the M8 makes every second behind the wheel feel extraordinary. It doesn't just challenge what a luxury sports coupe can be, it redefines it. Thanks for riding with Scout Automobile.